Good morning. My name is Ojas Prash, 20BCE1588, and today I'll be presenting on the topic types of topology. Now, for topology, first we should understand the definition of topology. Topology is derived from two Greek words, topo and logy, where topo means place and logy means study. In computer networks, a topology is used to explain how a network physically connects and the logical flow of information in the network. In computer networks, there are mainly two types of topology, physical and logical. A physical topology describes the way with which the computer or nodes are connected with each other in a computer network. In other words, we can say that it is the physical layout of nodes. In a logical topology, it describes the way data flows from one computer to another. It is bound network to a network protocol and defines how data is moved through the network, which paths it takes. In other words, it is the way in which the device communicate internally. There are six main types of topology. The first being the bus, second ring, third star, fourth mesh, fifth tree, and sixth hybrid. Now let us learn about these topology one by one. The bus topology. The bus topology is the simplest side of topology in which a common bus or a channel is used for a communication in the network. The bus is connected to various taps and drop lines, and there is only one single transmission line for all the routes. When a sender sends a message, all of the computer can hear it, but only the receiver accepts it. In this topology, the data is sent only in one direction, and as soon as it reaches the end, the terminator removes the data to prevent signal bounce. For example, an Ethernet cable. The advantages of bus topology: simple to use and install, and if nodes fail, it will not affect the other nodes, and less cable is required. And the disadvantages of bus topology: efficiency is less in nodes. If the bus fails, the network will fail. Security issue and risk are more. Now for the second topology, the ring topology. The ring topology is a topology in which each computer is connected exactly to two other computers to form a ring. The message passing is unidirectional and circular in nature. This network topology is deterministic in nature. That is, each computer is given access for transmission at a fixed time interval. All the nodes are connected in a closed loop, and this topology mainly works on a token-based system. In a ring topology, if a token is in the ring topology, if a token is free, then the node can capture the token and attach the data and destination address to the token. The advantages of ring topology are easy installation, less cabling, and easy to troubleshoot. The disadvantages are if a node fails, the whole network will fail. Difficult to reconfigure, or we have to break the ring. Third, star topology. Star topology in a computer network topology is which all nodes are connected to a centralized hub. The hub or switch acts as a middleware between the nodes. The node requesting for service or providing service first contact the hub for communication. The control device has a point-to-point communication link, or the dedicated link between the devices which cannot be accessed by the computers. The central device then broadcasts or unicasts the message based on the central device used. The hub broadcasts the message while the switch unicasts the message by maintaining a switch. For example, high-speed LAN. Following are the advantages of star topology. Centralized control, less expensive, easy to troubleshoot. The following are the disadvantages of the topology. The central device fails, the network will fail. The number of devices in the network is limited due to limited input-output port. Now for the fourth, the mesh topology. The mesh topology is a computer network topology in which nodes are interconnected to each other. In other words, direct communication takes place in the nodes network. There are mainly two types of mesh, full mesh and partial mesh, in which some nodes are not connected to it. In fully mesh connected mesh topology, each device has a point point-to-point link with the other network in the network. There are n devices in the network, then each device has exactly n minus one input-output ports and the communication link. If we are using simple links, then the number of communication link will be n into n minus 1 for n devices, while it is n minus 1 divided by 2 for using duplex links in the mesh topology. For example, internet map. Following are the advantages of mesh topology. Dedicated link facilitate direct communication and no congestion or traffic problem, and it's a very fast communication method. The disadvantage is its very high cabling cost and it's cost inefficient and complex to implement. A tree topology. The tree topology is a computer network topology in which all the nodes are directly or indirectly connected to the main bus cable. Tree topology is a combination of bus and star topology. In a tree topology, the whole network is divided into segments which can be easily managed and maintained. There is a main hub and all the other sub-hubs are connected to each other in the topology. The advantages of such topology is large distance network coverage and fault finding is easy by checking each hierarchy. And there is least to no data loss. The disadvantage of the tree topology, it's high cost, high hardware, and high cabling required. And it also requires a very high maintenance fee. And if the main bus fails, the network will fail. Hybrid topology. Hybrid topology is a computer topology which is a combination of two or more topology. In practical use, they are most widely, they are most widely used. In this topology, all topologies are interconnected according to the needs to form a hybrid. All the good features of each topology can be used to make an efficient hybrid topology. It can handle a large volume of nodes. The advantages is it provides flexibility to modify the network and is very reliable, as if one of the node breaks, the other will not fall. The disadvantages of the hybrid topology are its complex design, expensive implementation, and multi-station access unit required. These are all the various topologies, and with this, I'll stop my presentation. Thank you.